Welcome back to my YouTube channel Infra with Rahul. In this video, you will learn how to use the Linux echo command with the practical examples. Most beginners think the echo command only prints text, but it can also display system information and even create the files instantly. Let's see how. So currently, I'm in my Ubuntu terminal. As I said, echo command is used to print this statement. For example, let's type echo and provide the statement which you want to print. So I will provide my YouTube channel name infra with Rahul and just to enter. See, it is pretty easy to print the statement using echo command in the Linux system. Also, we can use to print the built-in environment variable as well. So just type echo and mention dollar home. This shows your current working directory of a current user logged in. Just to enter, see, slash home slash Rahul. Also, if you want to see the current logged in user information, just to echo and provide dollar user. So it should be in uppercase. Just to enter, see, the logged in username is also being displayed. This is how echo command is also used to display the built-in environment variables. Now you might be getting question, okay Rahul, but how we'll see this all this environment variable? So just type env and enter. See, these are all the built-in environment variables present inside your Linux system. Let me clear the screen. As I said in my previous video, how do we create an empty file using a touch command? So in this video, I will show you how to create a file using a echo command. So let me do ls and verify there are no any content inside this present working directory. So now I have a requirement from a client, or I have a requirement in my script that I want to print the statement inside the a file or redirect that output inside the file. How will we do that? Just type echo and provide the statement which you want to redirect inside the file. So I will type infra with Rahul and use the redirector operator and provide the file name. Okay. So what this command does is it will check whether a.txt is existing or no. If it is not existing, it will create a new file. So let me do enter. So once we have done enter, now the file should be created. So let's verify it. Just to ls, see, the a.txt file has been created. In order to read the content inside this a.txt, we have a command called cat. Just to type cat and provide the file name which you want to read and just to enter. See, the infra with Rahul has been redirected inside the a.txt. Now, the second requirement is there is one existing file a.txt and I want to append that file. How will we do that? It's pretty easy. Just type echo and the information which you want to append inside the a.txt. For now, I will put that is a YouTube. But here the difference is you need to use two redirection operators and just do a.txt. Just to enter. Now, if you verify, the YouTube should be inside the a.txt. a.txt. See, the YouTube is also appended inside a.txt. So one more important thing is always remember when you use a single redirection operator, it will always rewrite the existing file. Okay, and when you use the double redirection operator, it will always append the file. I will show you a good example of this. Now think that I want to rewrite the file with a new content. So I will type echo and just I will provide it as an infra Rahul and let use single redirection operator and now put the file name a.txt and just to enter. And if you do now cat, the previous data should be deleted or it should be vanished and the new data should be inside this a.txt as an infra Rahul. So let me type cat and the file name a.txt. Enter. See, the previous data has been vanished and the new data has been in this file a.txt. So this is how we use echo command in our day-to-day operations. So that's all for today. If you like my channel, if you like my content, please do like, subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a great day ahead.